Sweet potato and zucchini fritters. Combine grated sweet potato, zucchini, spring onion, cheddar, and egg in a large bowl. Stir in flour until well combined. Season with salt and pepper. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan over medium heat. Add 4 1/4 cup portions of sweet potato mixture to the pan and flatten slightly. Cook for 3 minutes each side or until golden brown and cooked through. Put them on a plate and cover with foil to keep warm. Keep going with the rest of the sweet potato mixture to make 2 more batches of fritters. Now make the salad. Take a bowl, add tomato, spinach and rocket, drizzle with oil and season with salt and pepper. To make the sauce to serve with the fritters, mix spinach dip and yoghurt together in a small bowl. To serve up, arrange the fritters on a platter and season with salt and pepper. Serve the salad with yoghurt sauce. For an easy weeknight dinner, make these tasty sweet potato and zucchini fritters. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more fritter inspiration, check out our 5 ingredient zucchini corn fritters video here.